Most welcome class 9th student, Jesse English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka, and I am your Miss Shashwati Chaudhary, English faculty in front of you. All the pending lessons and all carry out properly. Very shortly I am going to take the Unit 1 test, and in this unit test I will give you multiple choice questions and practice part also I will give you, but through WhatsApp you will get the question paper and you will give the test, and correction part I will do it. So be sincere about your all the previous lectures in the video lesson and your notes, question answers, whatever I have given you. Share everything with your mother and father. I don't want to listen that one boy has got this note and another boy has not got. It means you have deleted whenever your father or mother or anyone XYZ, they are going for inquiry. So don't do all these things. Nothing should be deleted. Everything you make the notes, then you can delete. That is different. Note should be ready in your notebook. Get ready with your textbook, class 9. And today I have told you already that I will start today Unit 3. Before that, gratefulness, memorization part, reading activity, writing task, all the question answers you have got it. So this is the 6th and 7th November lesson plan, and you do it nicely. Write the poem one time in your notebook according to all comma, full stop, punctuation marks given in your textbook. Read loudly from your textbook, then match it correctly in your notebook. After that, start memorization one by one paragraph, 4 paragraphs important for memorization, like SSLC board examiners in your upcoming examinations. Your examiner, English examiner, surely will give you memorization of the poem in the fill in the blanks style, whatever SSLC board maintaining. Class 9 means your question paper will be just like SSLC board pattern. So please, dear students, be very serious and positive about your English learning. Otherwise, I will not spare you, because I am your English faculty now and you are my students. Don't sit idly in the home. Make and prepare all the notes. Keep on reading. Get ready with the textbook English and page number 46. Unit 3, prose. Take a pencil in your hand. Before going to start the lesson, just I would like to tell you, dear student, here you see, follow the board. Unit 3, prose, my beginnings by Kapil Dev. So Kapil Dev here given his lifelong statement. His life sketch. He is a great cricketer, very, very renowned and popular, honest cricketer, world record, captain of India team. Around the world, everybody till date appreciate Kapil Dev. Salute to Kapil Dev. So, after saluting, we will start this lesson, my beginnings. My means Kapil Dev's beginning in the life. How he became a great personality around the world. And autobiography is the main concept. Autobiography of Kapil Dev. Here you will get his life sketch, his lifelong story, true story, practical world, practical story. Kapil Dev's life story, that is an autobiography, is the main concept of this lesson, my beginnings. Reading comprehension, to make you understand, read all the paragraphs correctly and perfectly. Listening activity, when teacher is reading, you will listen by heart and you will speak in that way like your English faculty, Shashwati Chaudhary. Reading activity, afterwards once more. After listening my part, video listening, you read, pause, read, start, read, pause, read. This will be your technique of reading. Minutes calculation also you can do. I will give you all these things time to time. Please adjust with me, with my phonetics and all. immediately I will start giving you all the feedbacks. Sitting at home also, how will you practice your reading? First reading, but correct English, correct pronunciation. All the Indians should understand. Because we are Indian, we are not American and European. So, your accent, pause, everything should be like that. Village child, any rural or urban, anyone person who don't know English also will understand, yes, something like this is going on. Language study. If I don't know all languages of India, I can understand maximum languages, state languages of India. Because I listen very carefully the conversation and I try to understand. So listening activity help to engross, develop the graph of reading capability and language study. That is any language. English language doesn't matter. Your culture is important. Speak in English, write in English, read in English, make notes. That's important. After this, you see, read the paragraphs, paras. Find out all the difficult words, underline with a pencil or circle. And interesting words. Whenever you are reading anything, line by line, word by word, sometimes you get very much exciting. Oh, what a wonderful word. Sometimes, what a difficult word. Immediately go through your internet dictionary. In your all smartphone, dictionary should be there. Even if you send SMS also, click the word, correct English word will come. Not with mother tongue. Make some good friends who can understand English. So English to English SMS you deal, automatically you will see your so many English technical side will develop. Follow all these things. These are very important in online teaching. Through this pandemic coronavirus, I think all over India at least understand that online is also important. Internet study is very important nowadays for all the children of India. So please children, you do it. You have to make yourself updated through internet study. Next one. Underline all the important lines. Quotes, double inverted comma, quotes, unquote, and important lines, paragraph wise. Let's start the story now. This is Kapil Dev's My Beginnings and Autobiography. Before going to start, student, page 51, 9th group, open page 51. Here you see glossary. Nestle, to be surrounded by something specifically, spatially, hills or countryside. Nestle. Regale, to entertain someone by telling them about something. Naughty, behaving badly. Castles in the air, plans or hopes that you have are unlikely ever to become real. Ambition, a strong desire, wish to achieve something. Bunk, to suddenly leave a place without telling anyone. Amused, to make someone laugh or smile. Perched on, to be in a position on top of something or at the edge of something. Walloping, to hit someone or something very hard, especially with your hand. Clumsy, action done carelessly or badly and likely to upset someone. Scrambling on, to move somewhere in a hurried, awkward way. Fright, a sudden feeling of fear. And next you see, page 51, continuation. Thither, to be so tired that someone no longer could deal with an upsetting situation. Anticipate, to expect that something will happen and be ready for it. Venture, to do or try something that involves risk. That is adventure. Imperceptibly, almost impossible to see or notice. Studious, spending a lot of time studying and reading. Fence, a wall or other structure that horses jump over in a race or competition. Claim, to take that something is true even though it has not been proved. Offer, to say that you are willing to do something. Saddle, a leather seat that you sit on when you ride a horse. So children, now turn over 9th group, page 65. About the author. Kapil Dev Ramlal Nikhanj is the full name of Kapil Dev. He was born on 6 January 1959 in Chandigarh. He was India's greatest all-rounder. In his captaincy, Indian cricket team won the 1983 World Cup. In his autobiography, Straight from the Heart, Kapil narrates his childhood experiences. So this much you read it. Very shortly I am coming 9th group with this lesson. Unit 3 Prose, My Beginnings by Kapil Dev. Thank you very much.